So we're back and I am just about done. As you can tell, the pool area is much cleaner than what it was when I first started. I'm just going to walk around and see the pool area behind me. I'm actually going to flip the flame around. Come off the camera, flip around. Alright, it's not going to flip, so let me just, give me a second here. Just turned around. No, okay, alright, so we'll just go this way then. We'll just go with this. So as I walk around, you can see how much cleaner this pool area is now. There you go. So I'm just gonna walk around. I'll put some pictures up as well. You can just see how nice it came out. Slow down here a little bit. Alright, and again, as I said, there it is. Alright, well, it's another Snell project. You can check the pictures out. Again, Snell Pressure Washing. Number is 813-965-6044. Have a great week. Dave Snell out.